Let's see how to invigilate 2 to 3 or more classes invigilation. So for that, you have to click to review. Okay, click to review. Now you can see so many classes are here, and you can see how many turned in, how many have not turned in. Okay, how many you returned. Okay, so likewise we can check how many have turned in and how many have not turned in. For this is actually my another class. You can see another class, so you can select, you can choose other classes, and you can check how many have turned in for this subject, how many have turned in for that subject. Like that we can do. So also if we done, that is, I reviewed this work, okay, it was done, everyone submitted, like that, if you are saying that, you can click the three dot and then click mark as reviewed. Okay, then that will go here. You can see here. Now you can see, now I have clicked that one. Now you can see, yes, it was reviewed. Okay, marked as reviewed. So if you want to turn it back, you can turn it back. Mark as not reviewed, so it will go back. So likewise we can invigilate and we can see how many have turned in for this assignment, how many have not turned in for this assignment. Like that we can check. That is actually in this menu you can click to review, or on the home page you can see to review, it is there. One more also we can see the next option, it is calendar. Click that option so that you can see when is the assignment, when I gave due date, so when they have to submit, in this month what I did, the next month what I'm going to assign it. So all these things will be there according to our assignment, and according to our due date it will be assigned. So you can check here all the classes. If you want, you can check for all the classes. If you want for the special class, that is 4B math, you can check for that class. So if you want to check for only one class, that is 2B IT, you can check for that class what assignment you have given, when is the due date. So likewise we can do the calendar. Now here also the same thing, after classes the option it is here, otherwise you have to take from the home, that is here it is to review, and here it is to take click calendar to view the due date. And one more thing you can see here, this is the folder. Actually whatever folder we are creating, that will be here. If you open here, this will directly take you to that corresponding um, folder, which is your drive folder. Now you can see here classroom pt1, directly it will take wherever it is. If it is in the archive classes also, you can use that folder, so you can click here to view the folder. So now you can see, yes, these are the classes you can view, and you can directly click here to this is the shortcut to view your Google Drive folder for this class. And if you want to see your grades also, this is the shortcut to view the grade book. Now this is my grade book. Now you can check here, this is my grade book. I have assigned so many things and I have given marks for that, and you can see these are the marks given there. How to stop a particular class email notification, commands, post, and everything is, you have to click here, click the menu, go to settings, and here you can see this is overall email notification. If we switch off also, the students whenever they are posting some comments, other students will receive. Okay, here these things will be automatically off. If you want to switch off a particular class, mail notification, and then mobile notification and class notification, you can toggle it off. Now I'm offering for pt1 to be IT, so that no notification can be sent, and from there if the students are sending some chats, that also we cannot receive. So you can do likewise, and you can switch off.